Hey guys, hope you guys are doing well. Before I start my today's video, I would like to request you guys, please go ahead and subscribe my channel because a lot of people are watching my videos and they are not my subscribers. So today's video is about how to factory reset your Motorola G Play in case you forgot your password. So all you need to do is hold down the volume down button and the power button until you it will reboot once, and it will come to the Android screen like this. And now you need to go into recovery mode using this using these volume up and down button, and this is the button to select the option. So like this, it says barcode, one more time bootloader, one more time power off, one more time recovery mode. So as you see the recovery mode, press the power button at this point. It will take you to the recovery mode and you will be able to reset it. So at this point you need to press volume up and power button. So I hold the volume up and power button to go over here. So now you need to bring it down to the wipe data factory reset, click on it one more time, volume down, and then press the power button. So once you see that the data wipe is complete, reboot now. And once it will be rebooted, your phone will be fully reset and there will be no account and nothing like that. And that's how you can fix your Motorola G Play or any Motorola Power G7 models. You can do that this way and fix them, or you can say that it's like kind of like hard reset if in case you forgot your password or passcode. So as you see, I just turned it on. So one more time guys, please go ahead and subscribe my channel because I really need your support to grow my channel. My channels keep on going down. I don't know why, but a lot of people are watching my videos but they are not my subscribers. So I want your support. Thank you. So as you can see guys, your phone is fully reset, and all you need to do is set it up, and you can do that by your own. It's gonna ask for like Wi-Fi password or something like that. After that you will be good to go. All right, so thank you for watching. Keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.